guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Sharice. Let's get straight into this Get Ready With Me hair edition from beginning to end. I'm going to start off by using a couple of new products from Garnier Whole Blends. Heard a lot of great things about them, so I'm going to start off with the shampoo. It has coconut oil and cocoa butter, and it helps to tame frizzy hair. I'm going to then use the Strengthening Conditioner Ginger Recovery, going straight into a 1-minute hair mask, also from Garnier Fructis. And then I'm going to use the Palmer's Natural Leave-In Conditioner, and then end it with the L'Oreal Elvive Hair Oil. So to get started, my hair, I'm going to go ahead and just wet it, make sure it's nice and damp. So here I am in the shower, washing my hair. Get your shampoo, guys. Pour a nice amount in your hands. Now, they always say use a dime size amount, but I never use a dime size amount. I just have to overdo it. I do only shampoo my hair once. You can do it twice if you like. I don't shampoo my hair every time I wash it. I will do cold washes in between. So here I am just shampooing my hair. These products smell very, very, very good. This is my first time using the Garnier Whole Blends, and I've heard so much great things about it from my friends. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try it. Love the way it smells. Now the conditioner smells even better, okay? The ginger smell is very strong. It lasts for quite some time, and it also made my hair feel very silky and smooth. So I honestly, this is a keeper for me. I'm all about my hair smelling great. I love my hair smelling great as well as feeling silky and smooth. Then I go straight into just brushing out my hair with the Denman brush to make sure there are no tangles. All these products can be found at your local Walmart, Amazon. I will have everything down below for you guys, by the way. Now, this 1-minute mask I've used several times. I can kind of get 2 uses out of it if I don't really use a lot, but it smells good and it does make my hair feel a little rejuvenated every time I do use it. So definitely one of my faves. Next, this one is a little bit new. I've never used it before. This is the Palmer's Leave-In Conditioner. It did leave my hair a little bit white though, so don't spray a lot. I think I went a little overboard, but hey, I wouldn't be me if I didn't. So don't spray a lot though, or you will have little white particles in your hair. I swear, guys, it's not dandruff. I don't have dry scalp, but it looks like it with this product. Now it's time for me to go ahead and braid my hair. So I love the feeling of a nice, fresh, clean scalp. I did use the L'Oreal Elvive hair oil in my hair to kind of, you know, bring my hair back to, well, add more life to it. I should say. I just brought a lot of life to it. But I love it because it makes my hair feel also soft. Again, that was my first time using that. So love these products. Again, everything will be down below. Now for my braids, I could either go 2 routes. I could do my braids nice, skinny, and neat, or I could do them chunky monkeys like this. And for me, I don't really feel like braiding my hair nice and neat all the time because I just don't. It's either this or I wear my hair in a ponytail. So you have both options. For the braids that are hanging out, I just put it in a small ponytail, and that is all. This unit is from Youth Beauty. It is a 360 lace frontal unit. I absolutely love the curl on this. This is how their hair looks when it's dry. I thought it was really important to show you guys that. I am going to pluck it. For me, I just have to pluck. It looks much more better for me, and it just, you know, it matches my skin a little better. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just tame my curls. And I'm just going to spray it and use water. And I do want to make it clear to you guys that you will see me change shirts a couple of times. And what happened is I did wear this unit for a total of 5 days before I actually went in and, you know, did this video again. So right now I'm going to be installing it for you guys. So you guys always ask me, how long does my method last when I install my units? When I use the Gotta Be glue spray, it lasts me obviously 5 days. So I just wanted to point that out before somebody points it out down below. But yeah, I got a big ass forehead though. My favorite method, as you guys know, is the Gotta Be glue holding spray. It holds my units in place. It stays there for quite some time. My hair will be laid and slayed for a good 5 to 6 days. However, if you do go to the gym, if you do go to Soul Cycle, Flywheel, or anywhere like that, any workout classes, go to the gym, it will lift, okay? So it ain't that strong, but it's strong enough. And it just comes off with water. I just go straight in the shower, wash my hair, and it just comes straight off. So Now, the key to keeping what keeps the Gotta Be glue spray in place is really blow drying. Back in the day, I was really lazy with it, and I would just spray it, and I would honestly just let it air dry on its own. But the key is holding it in place and having the blow dryer blow on it for as long as possible. That helps to set it in place and it will not move. So the key, it really is blow drying and holding it in place. Next, cut off any excess lace from behind your head, around your ears. You want it to really stick and stay in place so that you can put your hair behind your ears. And this is practically my end result as far as the whole installation process. See, I'm tired. You see that? You see that? Now, this not going to work. No, honey. So what I'm going to do is use some Gotta Be glue because it's like a little white line. And that's okay. That might happen. Take some Gotta Be glue and just press the lace down into your scalp, kind of melting it a little bit while having the blow dryer on it. This does help to flatten out any rolled out pieces of lace that you might have sticking up. So definitely try it if you're always like, my lace is always rolled, or blah blah blah, or there's a white line. It helps to settle that issue. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Baby Tress Edge Control brush, spraying some spray on it, and just kind of scooping out hair without scooping out hair, if that makes sense. Like, it's not baby hair, just long hairs, but it's just covering the lace more. You know what I'm saying? So this is me after I did my makeup. Yes, there is a makeup video coming. I was going to add it to this, but you guys know I hate my videos to be super long, so I figured I'd save it for the next video. But this is how the hair looks after it being a week old. Now, I'll be honest, I did not brush my hair for an entire 5 days. So those 5 days that I had the unit on my hair, I didn't brush it. So this is my first day actually brushing it. And I'm actually impressed with how it's not as tangled as I thought it would be. Now, I am just using water. You could use water, conditioner, or products. I just use water. It's free. You know, like, I don't have to do too much. There's no formula to it. It's just water and a Denman brush, and it literally gets my curls to be the way I want it to be. So it's perfect for me. It's perfect. All right, I was clearly feeling myself this day because here I am dancing and singing in the camera. You guys know I don't do that on the regular, but it's good to feel yourself sometimes. And then I didn't really do a part look with this. I kind of just flung my hair left and right, threw it over here, threw it over there, to kind of like get that, you know, that wet look. But I wanted it to dry like this, so that's kind of why I didn't do a part. But you can definitely do a part if you want to. It's totally up to you. I didn't want a part. I was really enjoying this. Now, this part right here is the only part that did turn slightly white over the 5 days because I feel like I peeled this part up by an accident or what, but it was kind of white. So I did spray some Tresemme there, not Gotta Be glue, Tresemme hairspray, and just pushed down that area because I didn't want it to be white looking anymore and I wanted it to stick nice and flat. So yeah, this is my end result, guys. Again, this unit is from Youth Beauty Hair. Love the curls. The curls dry just like how they look. Like, they're very defined. The hair feels nice and soft. I loved it. So everything will be down below for you guys. I always tell you guys, down below, down below, down below. Make sure you go ahead and look and see what's there. I'll have the links to everything. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. All right. So bye, guys.